Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to everyone. The chapter name is Reviewing Computers. It's a chapter number 1 for class 4. So, first of all, you have to open the page number 5 in your computer book. Once you open the page, then we will start our lesson. So, on page number 5, the first line is computer can also be classified into. Remember one thing, we studied in the last lesson there are three kinds of computer. Kinds and classifications both are different. There are three kinds of computer. In the last lessons we studied three kinds. First kind is mainframe, the second one is the mini, and the third one is the micro. Now we are going to discuss about the classification or classification of computers. So there are three classifications of computer. The first one is the analog computers, the second one is the digital computer, and the third one is the hybrid computers. Again I am repeating, these are the classifications of the computer. These are not the kinds of the computer. Kinds of computer are mainframe, mini, and micro. So let's move forward and see the analog computer. These computers work at an extraordinary speed. Extraordinary means faster than the normal. Okay, so they are the faster one, can do the work at a great. They can also solve most complex equations in seconds. They can solve most complex equations in seconds. But there is an issue with they have limited memory and can perform only certain types of calculations. Because the issue with that is in these computers are they are not very much accurate. They are not very much accurate. The examples of these computers, why they are not very much accurate, because in these computers, okay, in these computers the needle is used for measuring any meter. The examples are output from analog computers cannot be read without great precision. I am giving you the example in the later slides. Output from analog computers cannot be read without greater precision. Why there is no greater precision? Because the data is and needle is not accurate. The speedometer, if you see the speedometer in cars, in older cars there is a speedometer. In electricity meters there are some speedometers. There in gas meters there are some needles. So in homes gas meters are used, electricity meters are used, and in the cars there are some speedometers. In the older cars, if you see, there is a needle in the meter, and when the car is running or moving, that needle is moving from down to up. So it's an analog meter. So it's an analog device example. In this, it's very much difficult to detect the correct speed. So that's why they are fast, but they are obsolete, means they are outdated computers. Now, open your notebook. We are going to write some questions related to the chapter. Once you open the notebook, then you have to write the notebook. So, the first question is, before writing the first question, write the name of the chapter on the top of the page. It's a reviewing computer, and also write the date. Question number 1 is, what is computer? One's answer is, it is electronic machine which receive data, respond to instruction, and execute program. In computer, each and everything is a program. Game is a program, software is a program, picture is a program, video is a program. Each and everything in a computer is a program. So computer is an electronic machine which receives data, respond to instructions, and execute. So question number 2, write any three characteristics of computer. Characteristics means any qualities of a computer. So we are going to write three characteristics of a computer, or the qualities. The first one is they are very much accurate, means the answer is always correct. Computers are very much accurate. The second one is it stores all information. It never deletes any information without your permission. It stores all the information. Work continuously. We humans can stop working or take a break or take sleep, but computer can work continuously without stopping. Now moving to question number 3. List three kinds of computers. So in the starting of the chapter I told you the kinds which we learned in the last lessons: mainframe, mini, and micro. These are the three kinds of computers. Question number 4. What is another name for the microcomputer? So you have to write what is another name for the microcomputer. Now the answer for question are, output from analog computers cannot be read without great precision. I am giving you the example in the later slides. Output from analog computers cannot be read without Now what you have to do, open the assignment from class era or the class log and do the assignment. It's very much easy. If you took the class, then it's very much easy for you to attempt it. If you have any question, you can ask me in the mail or you can ask in the live class. Okay? Hope you understand the lesson. Have a nice day.